How to get Avalanche Wallet Address to Trust Wallet and easily receive this crypto token on your wallet. This is very easy to do, so follow my footsteps and let's start. First of all, you have to scroll the main page of Trust Wallet a little bit. After that, click on button Add Tokens, and as you can see, there are a lot of crypto tokens here. However, to add Avalanche crypto, you have to write Avalanche in the search bar. But here, be careful, because there are many Avalanche networks, and if you choose the wrong one when sending your coins, they may not come to your wallet. So be careful and choose Avalanche C chain network, then click here and finally click Done. So now, Avalanche token is on the main page of our Trust Wallet app, and to receive this crypto from someone, you need to click on it. After that, click Receive, and one of the ways of receiving Avalanche token is to show this QR code to a person who is going to send you this crypto. But also, you can get Avalanche crypto by copying your Avalanche wallet address.